find the area, shaded area, it will be integral from A to B above curve, which is fx, minus below curve, which is gx, and integrate that. So this is the same thing which is line and a curve. If line is above, curve is below, then you subtract from line the curve. So similarly, if both are curves, then also we do the same thing. Another thing which may be possible is that if suppose we have the curves going like this, one curve is like this, and another curve is like this, and you have to find the area enclosed between two curves from x is equal to a to suppose x is equal to b. So the area enclosed is this area, this area, and this area. Now here the above curve means purple curve. Purple curve is y is equal to fx. Sometimes it is above, sometimes it is below. And the green curve is y is equal to gx. Gx is also sometimes above, sometimes below. Now, if you want to find the area, you will find the point of intersection of these two curves, which is here also. Suppose this is C1, and here also, suppose this is C2. And you have to keep in mind that you always subtract from above curve to below curve. So you will take A to C1, and above curve is the purple one, which is fx, minus below curve is green one, gx, dx. This area you will find. Then you will take from C1 to C2. And when you will take from C1 to C2, you will take the green curve, which is above. So you will take gx minus fx dx. Plus, next you will take C2 to B. So above curve is fx, below curve is gx dx. So this will be the total area which is enclosed. So you have to keep in mind that always you subtract from above curve to below curve. If the above curve is changing, you will also change the order of the curve. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now, same thing happens if we take the curve like this. Suppose we have a curve like this. It is x is equal to gy, and a curve which is like this, x is equal to fy. And point of intersection is y is equal to c to y is equal to d. And you have to find the area enclosed between these two curves. So here, if you want to find the area enclosed, what you will do, you will take the integration from c to d, and here it will be x dy. So what will be x? Right curve, which is fy, minus left curve, which is gy. So as we took there above minus below, here we take right minus left. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Here also, if the curves are like this, that they are intersecting at many points, and sometimes one is right, one is left. Suppose the curve is like this, and another curve is maybe like this, and you have to find this point y is equal to c to this point y is equal to d. So you will find where other points are, they are getting intersected. So this point is here, which is y is equal to c2, This point is here, which is y is equal to C1. The enclosed area is this one, this one, this one. So you will take C to C1 and you will take the right curve, which is GY. Right curve is GY or FY depending upon the interval. So C to C1, GY is the right one, minus FY is the left one, dy. Then we go from C1 to C2, we see that the blue one is the right, which is FY, and purple one is the left one, GY. And C2 to D. So there we have GY minus FY dy. So this is area enclosed. Have you written this?
Yes, sir.
So if we do few questions from 8.2, then we will do few questions from miscellaneous. So first, let me do one question from 8.2.
So I didn't write the second property, so please scroll on.
This one you have not written.
No, sir, the second property.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. These are not properties. These are different cases.
Done, sir.
Okay. The rest you have written, now.
Yes.
So if we suppose is given in the first question, as you can see from the first question, find the area of the circle 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 9, which is interior to the parabola x square is equal to 4y. So you need to find the graph of these. So x square, this will become x square plus y square is equal to 9 by 4, which is 3 by 2 whole square. You can write it like this. And this will be a circle whose radius is 3 by 2. Radius is 3 by 2. Everywhere its radius is 3 by 2. And the another one is x square is equal to 4y. So x square 4y is a parabola, which is upward opening parabola like this. And they are asking find the area of the circle which is interior to the parabola. That means the shaded region is circle which is interior to the parabola, this region. So what will be the first thing you have to do? First thing is to draw the graph that you have drawn. So what is the next thing you have to do?
So the
Next thing,
minus lower curve.
sorry.
The upper curve minus lower curve.
Yeah. From which point to which point?
From minus 3 by 2, I mean from minus 0 to 3 by 2.
No, actually this point is not 3 by 2. This is the intersection of these two. 3 by 2 is the end point of this circle, where this is radius 3 by 2. Here also, it will be before this, somewhere before this. Yeah, the curve is like this, the circle is like this, and the parabola is like this. So when they will intersect before 3 by 2 or after minus 3 by 2. So you have to find the point of intersection. As we discussed above, when you will see two curves, you will do fx is equal to gx and solve and find the point of intersection AB. So here first what you have to do, solve them. So x square is equal to 4y is one equation and this is another. So let us take x square as 4y and put here. So this will be 4y plus y square is equal to 9 by 4, which can be written as 4y square plus 16y minus 9 is equal to 0. So this will be, now middle term splitting you can do 36. Can you get 36? I don't think you will get 36 by, yeah, you will get 36. 18y minus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. So you will get 2y plus 9 minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. So you'll get 2y plus 9 into 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 1 by 2 and minus 9 by 2. Now here it is very important to choose a right value, because both the values are not right. You are getting y as 1 by 2 also and minus 9 by 2 also. Have you understood this calculation?
Yes.
Yes. Have you understood, Darnell?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the curves are intersecting here or here. Both point is above the x-axis. That means the point of intersection has y coordinate positive. So minus 9 by 2 is not the correct answer. Since it was quadratic, we got some extraneous solution. Y is equal to 1 by 2 is the correct answer. So y is equal to 1 by 2. Now when you will put y is equal to 1 by 2 here, you will get x is equal to plus minus root 2. So what you are getting is x as plus minus root 2 and y as 1 by 2. So this point here is x root 2, y 1 by root 2. And this point here is minus root 2, comma 1 by 2. Don't take minus 9 by 2. That is not possible. The curve, these two curves are not intersecting at minus 9 by 2. Minus 9 by 2 is a line which is this one, below, much below this circle, and neither it is intersecting the parabola. So you have found the point of intersection. Now when you will integrate, you don't have to integrate from minus root 2 to root 2 because it is symmetric about y-axis. So you will integrate from 0 to root 2 and double it. Is it okay? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now upper curve minus below curve. So upper curve is a circle which is x square plus y square is equal to 9 by 4. So upper curve is a circle x square plus y square is equal to 9 by 4. From here you will write y is equal to root over 9 by 4 minus x square. So upper curve is root over 9 by 4 minus x square minus below curve. Below curve is this curve, which is x square is equal to 4y. So y is equal to x square by 4. So y is equal to x square by 4. Now you have to integrate it. These two curves are there. So can you integrate them? You have to apply the formula of indefinite integration and then put the limits.
So in the first step for the calculation, where's the 16y from?
When you will take LCM, this 4 is going on the left. So 4 16y plus 4y square. This is there, no? 9 by 4 on the right, and x square you have taken 4y. So x square you put as 4y. 4y plus y square is equal to 9 by 4. Then 4 is getting multiplied to the left.
Okay.
Done?
So I didn't understand the integration part, the root of 9 by 4 minus x squared. Like,
So what we do, we subtract from upper curve the lower curve. So upper curve is a circle. X square plus y square is equal to 9 by 4. So when you find y, that is a function of x from here, you will get this. How will you get this? Y square is equal to 9 by 4 minus x square. And then you get y is equal to square root of 9 by 4 minus x square. So this is the upper curve. And what is the below curve? This one. Parabola y is equal to x square by 4. So you have subtracted from the above curve the below curve.
Okay. Oh, so I got root 2 by 6 plus 9 by 4 sine inverse 2 root 2 by 3
Okay, 1 second. Let me write it. You got root 2 by 6,
plus 9 by 4 sine inverse 2 root 2 by
2 root 2 by
3.
okay. This is what you have got. Okay. So let's see. So if you will take 2, first one will be x by 2 into root over a square minus x square and plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a x by a, so 3 by 2. Okay. Another one will be minus x cube by 12. Now you put the limit 0 to root 2. So first part will become root 2 by 2. That will be root 2, 2 cancel, and it will become 9 by 4 minus 2, 1 by 2, 2 by root 2, okay, minus 0. Then next one will be 9 by 4 sine inverse 2 root 2 by 3, 5, minus x cube by 12 you will do, so 2 root 2 by 12 root 2 by 6 you will get. Now root 2 by 2 minus root 2 by 6 when you will do, and 2 is also multiplied now. So it will be 3, I think, or 2, 6, 3. Okay, so it will become 3 minus 2, 1 by root 2 by 6 plus 9 by 4. I think you are getting the correct answer. That is good. Yeah, fine. And this is correct answer. So the next question which you can try from this exercise, let us do two questions. You can try question number 4 and question number 6. You have to keep in mind the steps. First of all, to have the proper graph, see the point of intersection, shade the area which you need, see upper curve minus below curve, or right curve minus left curve, as the case may be, and then proceed. I'm coming in 2 minutes. Yes, Darnell, do you want to ask him?
Oh, so I'm doing the sixth one right now. I am not able to do the fourth one.
Okay. Can you tell me how you are approaching question number 6? Like which curve minus which curve and the limits?
So the limits are 0 and 2. It's like a circle with the line drawn over 2 and 2.
Okay, so which is the above function that you are taking the above function as?
YDX.
Yeah, what is the above function minus below function?
YDX minus the 2 minus x.
So what is y?
Y is root of 4 minus x.
Your voice is very low.
So y is root of 4 minus x squared.
Okay, fine. Minus lower one you are saying is
2 minus x.
2 minus. Perfect. This is fine. So if you draw the figure, this is going through this point like this. 2 comma 0, 0 comma 2. Yeah. So what is the answer which you will get? Just calculate.
Oh, so answer is pi minus 2.
I by 2. Sorry. Pi minus 2.
Minus
B
2.
option. This one.
Yes. Yes.
Let us see. So you will get root over 4 minus x square into x by 2 plus 4 by 2 sine inverse of x by 2 minus 2x plus x square by 2 from 0 to 3. 1 second, let me receive a call. Just put the limit. So इसमें जो है अगर हम sorry, if we'll put the limit, this will be 0 minus 0, then it will become 2 sine inverse 1 pi by 2, or 0 will be 0 minus 4 plus 4 by 2 is 2, so it will be pi minus 2. Yeah, perfect. Question number 4 जो है उसमें using integration find the area of region bounded by the triangle whose vertices are minus 1 comma 0, 1 comma 3, 3 comma 2, sorry. Now you have to find using integration. So first thing which you have to do is find the equation of the lines. So do you remember 2-point form of equation of a line? It was y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So we have to apply this. So when we'll apply this, these are the points A, B, C. So if we apply on AB, it will be y minus 0 is equal to 3 minus 0 upon 1 plus 1 into x minus minus 1. So x plus 1 it will become. So y is equal to 3 by 2, x plus 1. It will become 3x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. So this is the equation of AB. Similarly, what you have to do, you have to find the equation of BC from the same 2-point form. These 2 points are there, 1, 3, 3, 2. You have to find CA. Can you find these two equations?
Oh, yes.
Okay, so use this and find them. And after finding them, what you have to do, that you have to find the area this one and the area this one. So as you see here, this is the equation AB. Now from the equation AB, you can write, this is AB equation, right? AB equation. Y is equal to 3x plus 3 by 2. So you can say that this is y equal to 3x plus 3 by 2. Similarly, others also you will get the equation y is equal to something, y is equal to something. So when you will integrate from -1 to 1, first of all, in this region. Upper curve is 3x plus 3 by 2 minus AC equation. Whatever AC equation you will get, that y you will subtract 3x. Then you will add 1, 2, 3. That is this interval. And upper curve is BC equation. So BCy minus ACy again, and this is how you will get it. Can you try this now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, so the the integration part will be integration of AB plus BC minus AC.
Integration of this first one is ABY minus ACY, and second one will be BCY minus ACY. So after this, you have two topics left, differential equations and vectors, right?
No, so just differential equations. The vector part I learned already.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay.
So we can substitute the vectors for probability.
Probability. Okay. So you can tell them.
Yes, sir. So the answer is 4.
Yes, Dan, what are the equations that you are getting for BC and AC? Can you tell me?
So I got 4 as the answer.
Okay, you got 4 as the answer. Fine. So can you see from the back if you got the correct answer? So that will save our time to calculate.
Yes, that's true.
Okay, fine. Now let us do one question for miscellaneous. Uh, if you take a question, suppose question number 18 from miscellaneous. Yes, Darnell, should we discuss?
Oh, so just 1 minute, I'm trying. Oh, so I got C as the answer.
Okay, I don't know, just see from the back.
Yes, that's
Now, can you tell me how have you done this?
so it's like a circle, and the its y square is equal to 6x, so it's the right hand side parabola.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
So,
So then the equation is x square plus y square is equal to 16. So 16 into is 4 square. And then after you put the y square is equal to 6, you get x minus 2 and x plus 8 is equal to 0 is the equation.
okay.
Then you substitute x in the first equation, and for y I got 2 root 3 and minus 32
Okay.
for y square. So minus 8 is impossible, so I took 2. Then
Okay.
for the area, I did the limits is 0 and 4 y dx.
0,
And
0 to 4
4
y
y
dx.
dx.
And what is y there?
Y is root 16 minus x square.
Okay.
And then I did root a square minus x square formula, and from that I got 16 pi.
Got 16 pi. So this area is basically the area of the first quadrant of the circle.
No, so this is the whole circle. It's 4 pi into 4, so 16.
Okay. So you have multiplied with 4 here.
Right.
No, 16 pi is the area of the circle. A pi r square, that is 16. So you want it in the first quadrant, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
So this value you should get as 4 pi. This value you should get as 4 pi, no?
Oh, yes, so that's the first quadrant.
Yeah. Then,
Uh, and then I took the limits of 2 and 4,
okay.
and then
Then,
2 and 4 y dx, and y is 16 root 16 minus x squared. Then you do the same thing and you get 8 pi by 8 pi by 3 minus 2 by 3.
okay. So this is basically this area, right?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Fine. Till here. Yeah.
And then I took limit 0 and 2. And
Okay.
for this one, I took y squared equal to 6x. So y is root 6x. And from
Okay.
that, I got root 3 by 3.
Sorry, your voice is low.
Oh, so 8 root 3 by 3.
8 to 3 by 3.
And then I added equation 2 and 3. So I added 16 pi by 3 plus 4 root 3 by 3.
Okay. 16 pi by 3. Plus,
And then I subtracted it with the area of the circle.
okay. So what you may have done is you have taken area of circle as 16 pi. From there you subtracted 16 pi by 3 minus 4 by 3, right? Is this okay? And minus 16 root 3 by 3. Is it so? Yes, Darnell? This is 8 root 3 or 8 something. 8 root 3 by 3 and this is 2 by 3. These values you have told me correctly now. Hello.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, this is what you are getting.
Yes.
Okay, so when you will calculate it, I think that is not matching with this, no? Which you have said C. Will it match with this? Have you told me correctly all these terms values? This this is fine.
So it'll be 32 pi by 3 minus 4 by 3, right? Because I multiplied the 16 and 4. The instead of 16 pi, it is 4 root 3.
First tell me, yeah, 16 pi it is here you are saying.
Oh, yes, sir.
What it is?
4 root 3. 4 root 3 by 3.
Okay.
Um, plus 16 by 3.
This is plus 16 by 3.
Yeah.
Then
So the minus 16 by 3, 16 to 3 by 3 on the outside is in the, because I did the area of the circle minus the parts found.
so you are getting these values, no? These values and these values.
Yes, sir. So you have to multiply it by 2, the area found. So it'll be 8 pi by 3 plus 2 root 3 by 3 into 2. So that's 16 pi by 3 plus 4 root 3 by 3.
Okay, anyways, you got the answer, no? And
Yeah.
I think the steps are also right. You can see these calculations.